If you're wondering whether you can recover messages on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, let's open up the Messages application and let's tap on the account icon at the top right corner. And here, unluckily, we'll see that there are no direct option to recover deleted messages. However, don't worry, I've got a potential workaround for us. So first of all, don't forget to check your archived, because sometimes missing messages might have been archived here. It's always worth checking the section to see if your messages can be found. Additionally, we can create a backup, so in future you won't lose anything. In order to do that, you have to open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down right to our system and update section. Here we gotta find our backup and reset option. Find your backup and migrate, or I recommend you using a Google backup. So choose your Google backup. Here, make sure that you choose your other device data, SMS and MMS messages, right, and press confirm. Press manage backups, and don't forget to press backup now. Confirm your choice by entering your password, and basically that's it. Now your messages will be saved. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.